guys, today we going to the SMAŽÁK.
Let's go. So first of all we have to do trojobal. And trojobal consists of hladká mouka, flour if you want. Píči, to tam dal moc.
Nedal, dobrý, ty neřeš to. It's alright.
Okay, then we need egg. Pecka, banger.
Yeah, it's beautiful egg.
And then we need strouhanka. Skvělý pecka. So, and for smažák, we need cheese, naturally. And what we do with the trojobal in Česká republika is that we dump that bitch into all three, you know? That's why it's called trojobal. So you take Idam 45% and you dump it into all three. Thanks. Oh, and I forgot to whisk the egg, you know? That's a mistake. So you take it from the flour into the egg and you dip it in there. And then into the strouhanka. Okay, and so after you're done, you have this great block of cheese alongside with dirty hands. Great success. Okay, so guys, the next step is the frying, okay? So you take your frying pan, you take oil, and just dump it in. Yep, that's it. And so the key part is to fry it, the cheese. So what you want to do is heat it up. I mean the oil. So we'll set it to the max so that it actually boils the oil. Now that's gonna take quite some time, you know, because there's a lot of oil. Yeah. The oil is heating up. I'm gonna tell you a little backstory to Czech cuisine. You know, so there are many meals that Czech people eat. Amongst which are goulash, vepřoknedlo zelo, and some other stuff, you know. We eat very many dumplings, but there's this one dish that's really close to our heart, and that's the smažák. It's like whenever you go into a pub and there's a menu, they can put whatever they want, like španělský ptáček and stuff, but there will always be smažený sír, smažák. So this one hits close to my heart and to everyone's in Czech Republic, and I definitely advise you ordering smažák in your local hospital. So now when the oil is heated up, you take the smažák and you dump it in. Jak dlouho se dělá smažák? Já nevím, jak dlouho se to dělá. So guys, as you can tell, I have never done smažák in my life, so I have no clue what to do. but that doesn't stop me from doing SMAŽÁK at all. Okay, and so as you can tell, it spits the oil, and that's why you should only do it if you're a professional. Yes. And so guys, this is it. You know, it looks very good, and now it's time to turn it off. Yes. And hopefully it will come good and great. If you manage to survive all this, then it's good to because it was dumped in oil and it's all greasy and stuff. So you just give it a good old rub, you know, and get rid of the excessive oil. As you can see, very nasty. Yeah. So that's about it. We're ready to serve. Now I only said we're gonna do SMAŽÁK and not any side dish, but you know, but chef's tip. You can either get French fries, or if you're brave enough, you can get yourself a broccoli and have it with broccoli. Why not? Okay, and so because it's mainly from, you know, pubs and stuff, so you have to crank open a cold one, if you feel me, because there isn't SMAŽÁK without beer. So, bon appetit, dobrou chuť. To je dobrý, to fakt povedlo. Okay, and another chef's tip: you can always dump your shit ton of ketchup in there and you're good to go. Awesome stuff. Delikates.